This is ginger grinder. I now grinding. This is turmeric, honey, strainer, spoon, bigger bowl, small bowl. Now grinding. Not removing skin. I am grinding only 1 teaspoon juice only. Slowly, careful. Now ginger grinding done. This much. Making juice. Whole ginger I put here. I remove the juice. Okay, done. This is ginger juice. I not added water. Pure ginger juice. Now I add this turmeric. 1 teaspoon honey. All mixed together nicely. I boil before water, hot water. I put here little, only little water, not so much here, and I making little warm, like 1 minute is done. After drink one shot like this is very strong. You the taste like spicy, but it's very good. Thank you.